Since its debut in 2007, the iPhone has redefined the landscape of smartphones. Each new iteration always has exciting features that leave consumers eagerly awaiting the next release.
You got yourself an iPhone?
The launch of the iPhone 15 Ultra has sparked a similar buzz, leaving users pondering whether to consider upgrading.
Ooh, I love a new iPhone!
So today, we'll explore whether upgrading to the iPhone 15 Ultra is the right move for you. Let's get started. Design features. Although Apple has made incremental changes and improvements to the design of their devices over the years, they have maintained a consistent aesthetic that fans have grown accustomed to. However, with the upcoming release of the iPhone 15 Ultra, it seems that Apple is finally breaking away from this trend. First off, we're expecting the iPhone 15 Ultra to boast thinner bezels and curved edges. Another neat feature is the optimization of solid-state volume and power buttons. And guess what? There's a chance it might even feature an action button like the one introduced on the Apple Watch Ultra. Maybe not orange, but it will still serve the same purpose. Also, you should expect the iPhone 15 Ultra to have a titanium chassis.
It is indestructible!
Which means the phone will be stronger, lighter, and better protected against accidental damage compared to the stainless steel on the iPhone 14. Performance features. Apple's iPhones have always been known for their exceptional performance, setting the standard in the smartphone category. Even the base models of the iPhone 14 lineup, powered by the impressive A15 chipset, outperform many higher-end competitors.
You're really on top of stuff.
This year, the upcoming iPhone 15 is expected to continue this tradition but with a huge mileage this year. At the core of the iPhone 15 Ultra will be the powerful A17 Bionic chipset, built on a 3nm process departing from the 5nm node technology used for the previous 3 generations. This means we can expect improved speed and power efficiency, resulting in smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and enhanced overall performance. What's more exciting is that this chipset is expected to work its magic not only on performance but also on other crucial aspects like the camera and battery. We'll delve into the details of these enhancements soon, so make sure you stay tuned.
And, don't go anywhere.
Battery, charging, and data transfer features. Apple iPhones have gained a reputation for delivering impressive battery life, often surpassing expectations despite having relatively smaller battery capacities. Just like we witnessed with the Apple Watch Ultra last year, we might be in for an even larger battery capacity with the iPhone 15 Ultra model. The iPhone 14 Pro Max already boasts a battery life of around 13 hours. The upcoming high-end model could surpass that. While we don't have exact details on that just yet, one thing's for sure, charging is going to get much better with the iPhone 15 Ultra. They're finally introducing the long-awaited USB-C port, which translates to faster and more convenient charging options. In terms of data speeds, the iPhone 15 Ultra is expected to offer faster data transfer speeds, potentially reaching up to 20 gigabits per second or 40 gigabits per second.
That's fast.
We'll have to wait for more details on the battery capacity. In the meantime, subscribe to this channel and keep up with any future updates. Camera features. If we're being honest, iPhone cameras are probably users' favorite aspect of the phone. The photos are simply astonishing, and we see that on every single model released. But here's the thing, Apple never settles for less and always finds ways to improve. Last year's cameras were fantastic, but this year they're taking it to a whole new level. Aside from a more powerful camera setup and advanced image processing, they're adding a periscope-style telephoto lens with up to 6x zoom. That's double the zoom power compared to the current mode, and they're not stopping there. This year, the selfie camera will be a dual-lens front-facing camera. If this appeals to you, waiting for the iPhone 15 Ultra might be a worthwhile decision, regardless of the trade-in value Apple provides. Let's get into the details of the expected price and find out how massive the trade-in value of the iPhone 15 Ultra will be.
Supposedly not too expensive and pretty nice.
Price increase. For quite a while now, Apple has been holding off on increasing the price tag of their premium iPhone models despite the continuous advancements and innovations introduced in each new iteration. However, this long-standing trend is finally set to change. A price increase of some amount seems likely, with Apple even suggesting that customers would be willing to pay more for the newest iPhones. According to early leaks, the iPhone 15 Ultra is rumored to start at $1,199, putting it in the same price range as Samsung's current Ultra device, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's a significant increase of $100 compared to the current iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, we remain hopeful that the higher price will also bring more value, with the iPhone 15 Ultra offering even more features and hardware when it's released. Is it worth the upgrade? If you've been using iPhones for some time, you'll know that it's common for certain generations of Apple iPhones to share similar traits and features, making it less necessary for users to upgrade their devices. Last year's iPhone 14, for instance, is still really similar to the 13 series. So, if you're wondering whether the iPhone 15 Ultra is worth upgrading, let me tell you, it definitely is. This upcoming model is expected to bring the biggest overhaul in recent years. From the rumored advanced image processing and beefier camera setup to the inclusion of a new periscope-style telephoto lens, powerful A17 Bionic chipset, and the introduction of USB-C, the iPhone 15 Ultra will most likely be the best in 2023. So, even with a price increase, the extensive upgrades and features make it a compelling choice. So yeah, definitely a worthwhile upgrade. The decision to upgrade to the iPhone 15 Ultra ultimately depends on your preferences and financial capability. If your current iPhone still meets your needs and you're content with its performance, you should stick with it. However, if you're someone who values cutting-edge technology, enhanced camera capabilities, improved performance, and convenient charging options the iPhone 15 Ultra is offering, the decision should be much easier. If you want to explore alternatives too, competition like Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 is worth considering. With Samsung being a major player in the smartphone market, the Galaxy S24 is expected to introduce its own set of impressive features and advancements. We'll discuss this in our next video,